everybody. Today I'm going to talk to you guys why I think the KLX140G, now called the RF, is the best beginner-friendly bike on the market. It comes in at under $5,000 Canadian. It's got the lowest seat height, it's 33 inches, making it very easy and manageable for a shorter rider to gain confidence. It weighs 218 pounds. It's got electric start, and it's got full-size wheels. 21 in the front, 18 in the back. This bike is a 4-stroke. It's air-cooled. It's easy peasy the maintenance. And I highly recommend it if you are wanting to get into some trail riding, some single track. This thing can outperform this bike in single track. It's got traction for days. Don't let the 12 horsepower fool you. It's very forgiving, it's light, it's easy to pick up. It is definitely a confidence building machine. The bike does not come with a headlight. This is a super easy addition if you wanted to put a headlight. It doesn't come with handguards, and it does not come with a skid plate. The suspension is adjustable. My husband's making noises. I don't know what he wants me to do.
Handlebar risers.
Oh, I did put handlebar risers just because it felt more comfortable for me, but that is not necessary. What else can I say about this awesome bike? 5-speed manual transmission. It's got like a 5-something liter gas tank. And like I said, it is super forgiving. You know, you're giving it gas, and it is not like an immediate response. It's not EFI, it has a carburetor, it's got a choke right here. So it is very forgiving. Like, I can be riding in first and second gear. I barely have to clutch. It is a cable clutch, but the clutch pull is nothing. I never stall this bike. This is amazing beginner friendly bike. Did I forget anything about this beautiful motorcycle? So highly recommend it. If you're planning on doing some crazy high speeds, it might go 80 kilometers per hour. Let's talk about the cons about this bike. This suspension is adjustable to a limit. If you're planning on going really fast and you're going to be doing some very aggressive riding, you are going to be limited. Like, you're going to feel it in your body, and that's why I ended up getting a second bike. This is my dual sport bike. This is a Beta 390 RS. And yes, it's got like quadruple the horsepower. And but this is probably a better single track bike for my riding abilities. This, however, I can ride way faster in flowy trails because it's got a race suspension. It can handle the bumps, and it just goes where you want it to go. And it's got way more horsepower than I need. This has a 37-inch seat height, and this WR over here also has a 37-inch seat height. And just to give you an idea, this is 250 pounds, I believe. This is 218 pounds, and the Beta is 240-something pounds. So this thing here is a pig, and just to show you, I mean, like, I cannot remotely touch the ground on this bike. So to me, this is not a beginner-friendly bike if you're a shorter person. I am 5 foot, oh, hold my groin. I am 5 foot 6, so I'm not that short. So if you're on the shorter end, like 5 feet tall or even shorter, this is the bike. And you might be saying, well, maybe I'll get the L, which is the middle of the KLX lineup. Go for the G. There is no other bike that is a smaller frame like this that has full-size tires. And you want full-size tires to be getting over roots and logs and rocks. So I'm giving this bike thumbs up. If you have any questions, post in the comments and I'd be happy to share. If you want to see some pictures, some riding videos, please check out my Instagram at The Full Throttle Family.